Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This is part 4. If you haven't watched the other parts, I said it in part 3. I'm going to try to do it where they're like interlocking rings. The only way I can figure to do it with this Edit Fill tool is to do it old school, I call it. I just drew 3 rings and duplicated them over. Now I'm going to take the virtual segment delete key. I'm going to delete these lines. Don't delete this middle line because that's our dividing point. Now I cleared this one out, so now I need to clear this one out because to get the over-under effect. And then we're going to take our Smart Fill tool and we're going to set it on this dark burnt orange on both outside rings. We're going to go with let's go with this yellow and see what happens. I like mixing it up. Now with the outside selected, hit F11 and open up the Edit Fill Docker. Pick Elliptical and then move this up to the top. And then, like I said in the last video, you can make it lighter or bigger. And it really looks good when you take the lines away. F11. But this time we're going to do the conical, elliptical, and put it to the bottom. I still don't like it as well as I did the first one, but you're going to get the idea of what it's going to look like. And then grab the other yellow one, F11. I can't figure out how to keep this Docker open without changing it. And this one we're going to put to the top. Now let's put it to the bottom and actually make it a little bigger. No, make it a little bigger this way. And actually move it down a little bit. There you go. Now this one will do the top, F11, and we'll do conical, and this time we'll do the top and make it a little bit bigger. And what really makes it stand out is when you take away those rings by right-clicking no fill. Anyway, I still like my first one best I did just to practice with. That looks pretty cool. Different colors, made it look better. I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.